Do you know you can make profit immediately you buy a land or building? I'm going to give you some tips on how you can achieve this in a normal way. So pay close attention to these simple things I'm about to tell you and thank me later. If you want to make profit as at the commencement of real estate investment, make sure you are targeting for sale or distressed estate properties. Don't know what for sale or distressed estate property is all about, right? Well, distressed estate occurs when the property owner is facing financial hardship and needs to sell the property quickly. But for sales on the other hand is determined by estate survey and valuer to be either 70% or two-thirds of the total value of the property. So imagine a land is 3 million naira worth, then the value will be 2 million naira and or thereabouts. Now imagine you are paying about 70% or two-thirds of total amount of the property. So that means you've made a profit of 1 million naira as at the beginning of investment. And this let's say on the other hand can come in form of any discount. So it depends on the urgency of the seller or the property owner to dispose his property without waiting for any reasonable time for the property to be exposed in the open market. But nevertheless, make sure you thoroughly conduct due diligence of any property you want to buy. It is very, very important. Don't fall to the victims of too cheap to be true over so that they will not scam you with your hard money. I've talked my own. So I hope you are able to get something. I am Adebisi Ahmed, known as 5G. See you around and thanks for your time.